Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And in today's video we are going to be playing around with the Gershion Builder in a Bottle gel kit. It's their rainbow one. So I've actually had this kit for a while, a couple of months, but I've just not gotten around to using it yet. I wasn't sure what sort of design I wanted to do. I'd even recorded this months ago and I never ended up doing an actual design. So firstly, love the kit, love the like the packaging and stuff. Those colours are stunning. So this kit comes with instructions, and then it comes with 6 different colours, a top and a base coat, a nail file, and some paper forms. But I didn't show the nail file and the paper forms because I'd already put them away because, like I said, I'd bought it a while ago. So yeah. So I am going to be showing you the colours now. I think these are 10 to 15 milliliter bottles, I can't remember. So this colour here is blue, and it is an absolutely stunning sky blue. The consistency and the thickness is absolutely fantastic. Remember guys, these are builder gels, not gel polish, so they are meant to be thick. So yeah. So then the next colour is light purple. And this is like a really lush lavender sort of violet, really creamy looking colour. And again, beautiful. I think all the colours in this are pretty stunning. There is another kit that I haven't. I bought, like I said, I bought this a while ago on Amazon, and then the pandemic happened. And basically, there is another kit and it's like nude colours and clay, and I was going to get that one then like a couple of weeks later when I had money, because when I bought this these were only £30 kits, but when I went to buy it, it was out of stock, and it's been out of stock now for months. I think this one's been out of stock for months now as well. But I do plan to get it when it does come back into stock, hopefully. But yeah, Gershion was actually one of the first polygel kits that I bought and tried. I think it was like the second or third one, and I had the temperature changing one, and this is before I even done YouTube, and like my love for polygel just got even deeper, like gel products in general, really. So yeah. So the next thing is my new silicone practice hand that I bought off of eBay. So yeah, I finally got a practice hand so that I don't have to keep on changing my nails out, and I can practice on this, which is really good for beginners. You should always practice on something else before you do your own fingers. It's really flexible, it's great, it's bendy, perfect. It's a great hand. The rings and the nails didn't come with the hand though, they are my own. I think I bought this on eBay and it took about 3 weeks to get to me, so it's not too bad. And it's just a really nice hand in general. It's so weird because I was playing with that horrible like inflatable plastic one. Oh god, awful. Having like PTSD about it. So anyway, you can just slide in the nail tips into the cuticle there, which is great. So I have already prepped the nails because yeah, I just glued some extra tips on and buffed away the shine. Now I'm just going to go in with some base coat and put an even layer on all of the nails, and then I cure for 60 seconds. So now once that is cured, I'm going to use these 4 colours today to do a milk bath design. I thought that was a good idea. So basically I use the green, the purple, the blue and the bean red in this set, and I've got loads of dried flowers. I had this in my Amazon, not my Amazon, my eBay and AliExpress haul. I will link that in the card so you guys can see. I bought loads of cheap, inexpensive nail goodies. So basically what I'm going to do now is just apply a thin slip layer onto the nail. It was really weird working on like a different hand, like facing me instead of like my own hand. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. And this hand was really great and easy to work on, by the way. So anyway, I'm going in with that slip layer, and once I've done that, then I'm going to get a bigger blob and apply a thicker layer. Don't make these too thick because we're going to do milk bath, so you do it in layers, and I think I do about 2 or 3 layers on each. So you don't want to layer them too much because of course then you do have to cap and clear as well, because if you file into your flowers, they're just going to file away. So basically I just make sure that the colour is there, and then you could just go with the slip layer as long as you've got something for the flowers to cure into. That's all that matters. So then what I done is I applied some flowers into that uncured gel and pressed them down to make sure that they were in place. I had a bit of a time trying to get it off. But yeah, pressing into the gel then, once I'd placed all my flowers, I cured and then went in for another coat. I use a gel brush just to push it down to hold it in place, because obviously you want it to stick so that it cures in. And then I realised, I was like, I'm going to flip it over because it's like a curved leaf. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I done this and then I cured, and then I put another layer on and I put a few more flowers, and then I cured again and put another layer on and added some more flowers before curing for 30 seconds, and then I moved on to the next nail. I left all 4 nails in just so you guys could see. This video is long because of that reason, but I just wanted you guys to see how I was doing it, and this is only my second time really using Builder Gel, and it was really fun to do. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it, guys. And then once I'd finished doing all 4 nails, I put it into my nail lamp for 60 seconds to fully cure. Then I flipped the hand over and I cured for a further 60 seconds just to make sure that the product was cured all the way through, because as you know, gel products, they cure from the inside out, so I want to make sure that the whole thing is cured. And then I went in with my clear builder, but I will come back once I have done all of this process. I'm just going to put some music on so you guys can watch as I work. I'm sorry that it is a bit long. I just thought, guys, you guys might want to see the whole thing. So yeah, I do layer as well. I think milk bath nails, they look really cool when the flowers are layered over the top. So basically I just threw on any flowers. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you guys watch the application. It is a little bit long, like I said, but I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back in time for clear capping. So see you guys in a bit. back, guys. So now going in with the Emily Builder Gel, I actually used this on the index and middle finger to build up some structure and to clear cap. And then I used my Blue Skies Builder Gel on the ring finger and the pinky finger to clear cap as well. The builder in the bottle is great for clear capping, but I did find that my builder in like a tub was good too. It was a little thicker. So I kind of done 2 nails of each just to see the comparison, and they both work pretty good. So either one is really good. So once I'd done that, I then cured for a full 60 seconds, and then I wiped away the sticky tacky layer and I started filing. So I'm going to leave you guys just watch, and I'll be back in time for top coating. So see you in a minute. Hello guys, again. So once I had finished filing, I then took my alcohol, my rubbing alcohol, and I wiped away the dust and cleaned the nails. And then I went in with the top coat. I found the top coat quite thick, but it was a really nice, like, thick. It wasn't like runny. And it had like a smell. This like top coat, but it wasn't like a chemical smell. It was like a chemical smell with a bit of fruit. It was really weird. So I just top coated the nails, and then I wiped the sides down with a lint-free pad to not make them too bulky. I still definitely need to work on my shaping, but I think it's because it was on the fake hand and like the nails were moving and I'm just getting used to it, so I will get better with that. But I really enjoyed this set, and I think it turned out pretty cool, and it's really nice to see like a colourful milk bath, I guess. But yeah, then I cured for 60 seconds again with the top coat, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you are liking the new technique here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for all your support. I think you guys are amazing and you just keep on surprising me, and I absolutely love you guys for it. But here are the reveals. So I am going to love and leave you. I hope you're all staying safe. Keep on smiling, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!